Hi, welcome back to my channel Tech Trivia. I'm Siddharth, and for last 2 weeks I was not able to upload a video as I was traveling, but now I'm back at my place and I'll make sure there is a learning video on every Saturday. This is episode 4 where we're gonna talk about the record types. If you have missed other 3 episodes, don't worry, I'm gonna give the link in the description below. Please watch them. So, GenWatt currently deals with the business to business sales model. So, all of the customers they are selling generators to are companies. Now, GenWatt would like to offer generators to an individual customers as well, and not just to the companies. So, wanted to start with B2C sales model. Now let's talk about the major differences between B2B sales and B2C sales models. So for B2B, Genwatt would like to use all of the stage values that Salesforce provides for opportunity object. And for B2C, Genwatt would offer a demo to customers. After watching the demo, customer can take the decision whether or not to buy a generator. So ideally, there will be 4 stage values: prospecting, in-home demo, closed won, and closed lost. For B2B, the lead source field is not required. But for B2C, GenWatt would like to track the lead source so it can analyze later and take necessary steps to improve B2C sales model. For B2B sales opportunity, all of the related lists are needed, but for B2C sales opportunity, only 4 related lists are needed, and that is products, open activities, activity history, and stage history. All right, so we can achieve all of GenWatt's new requirements using record types. Because using the record type, we can display different page layouts to the users, and also we can display different pick list values. And because we are going to work on opportunity object, and so using sales processes, we can even display different stage values to different users based on the record types. So here we go. We are going to perform 4 steps. 1. Add a new stage value in home demo. 2. Create 2 page layouts, B2B cells and B2C cells. 3. Add 2 sales processes, B2B sales and B2C sales. And number 4, add 2 record types, B2B sales and B2C sales. And we are going to configure B2B layout and B2B sales process with B2B record type, and B2C layout and B2C sales process with B2C record type. So without any further delays, let's get started. So first you need to log in Salesforce, and you need to click on the gear icon, select setup, click on the object manager tab. In quick find, search for opportunity and select opportunity. So once you are on opportunity page, left hand side, select the second option, fields and relationships, and in quick find, search for stage, click on the stage label, the field label, and if you scroll down, there is a related list, opportunity, stage, picklist values. And there are 10 values right now that Salesforce provides you for opportunity object. So here click on the new button. The new stage name is in home demo. Probability is 40. Type is open. And forecast category is the best case. Because when a customer is agreed to see the demo, that is the best case for GenWatt to send a best sales executive and convince the customer to buy the generator. So best case, and then click save. And now you notice the new value that you added is right there at the end of the list. If you review the probability column, then ideally it should be placed at the fourth position. So let's reorder the value and set this value at the fourth in the list. So click on the reorder button, select the last value, and then using that arrows at right hand side, place in-home demo after needs analysis value. And then click save. Great. So A point is completed. Now B, we need to create two page layouts, B2B and B2C. So right on this page, left hand side, the third option you see page layouts. Click on page layouts. There are four layouts right now. We are going to create a new one. So at top right corner, click on the new button. Existing page layout, you can choose opportunity layout, the last one. So we are going to copy opportunity layout so that we don't need to just add the sections, fields, and everything from the scratch. But if you want to do that, you can also keep that blank, the none, and then you can create a new page layout. And the new page layout name will be B2B layout. Click save. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is to add a section on our page. So from the top pane, there is a section palette. You can simply drag it down and drop above opportunity information section. The new section name should be revenue information, and like other sections, you're gonna display the header only on edit page, not on detail page. So just uncheck the detail page checkbox. Click OK. And you notice revenue information section is right there above opportunity information. Okay, now we are going to move all of our formula fields that we created in one of our previous episodes. So if you have not watched the formula field episode, I'm going to provide the link in the I button here. So just go through that video first, create those formulas, and then come back on this page and then arrange the formulas in the revenue information section. So you need to select discount rate, negotiated discount amount, total discount amount, amount after discount. You can hold Control key if you are using Windows or hold Command key if you're on Mac and select multiple fields. And right inside there is other field is amount. Select that as well. And now we are going to move all the six fields on the above section. So simply drag all of them and drop them on revenue information section. Great. And now we are going to arrange it in the proper order. So let's move amount to right hand side first field and then amount after discount also right hand side the second field. Left hand side you should have discount rate, then discount amount, negotiated discount amount, and the total discount amount. Great, so they are the right order. So four fields left hand side, two fields at right hand side. And if you're done with this, scroll down and verify all of the related list for this page. And because it's a B2B layout, we're gonna keep them all. So no need to change anything. Simply click on the Save button. Save button is there on top panel. Great. So after creating B2B layout, let's now create B2C layout. So click on the New button. In the existing page layout pick list, select B2B layout. So we don't need to create the revenue information section because it's going to copy from B2B layout. So give a label, the page layout name, B2C layout, click Save, and now if you scroll down the page, in the revenue information section, because it's a B2C page, and for B2C, they are the individual customers who are gonna buy the generators, right? So all these opportunities, there won't be negotiated discount amount. So you can simply keep your cursor on that, and there is a remove option at the end of that field. Click on that to remove it. Same thing you can do for total discount amount. Remove that. So now the revenue information section should have just four fields. In the opportunity information, there is a lead source field. If you keep your cursor on that field and right inside there is a properties icon, the wrench icon, click on properties and make this field required because that's what Genwat wants to capture for all B2C opportunities. So click OK. If you scroll down to the related list option, so you just need to keep the four related lists. That's the products, open activities, activity history, remove notes and attachments. How to remove the list? You click on that minus icon, the remove icon, and that's how it will be removed from the page. Remove contact roles, remove partners, remove competitors, and now just four lists should be there. Products, open activities, activity history, and the stage history. So now when we are removing the related list, where it goes? So on the top panel, there are a few options left hand side. If you click on the related list option and you find all of the related list available there, which you can just simply add on the page. So those related lists that we have removed are lying in this area. And similarly, if you click on the fields option in the top end, and what you see are the fields available on the top panel. Okay, just simply drag on the page to add them. So a field can be displayed on the page once. Okay, so we are good. Click on the save. So point A and B are completed. Now point C is to create sales processes. Now, because we are working on the opportunity object and the sales process are required before you create a record type. Now, I'm going to show you that if I try to create a record type directly without adding a sales process, Salesforce throws a warning message. So let's try it. Click on the record types option here and click on the new to create a new record type. And you notice it says that an opportunity record type must be associated with the sales process. You currently have no active sales process. So click here. There is an option that directs you on the page where you create the sales process. Click on the here link. So that's basically under home tab and then sales option. Under sales, there's a sales processes option. All right, so once you're on this page, click on the new button to create a new sales process. Existing sales process should be master because we want to copy all of the stage values. Sales process name is B2B sales. Click save. And as it is B2B sales process, we no need to display in-home demo value because that is potentially be added for B2C sales process, right? So select in-home demo, remove that. Let the other 10 values be there in the selected values. Click save. Click on the new button once again, and this time existing sales process master because we want to copy all of the stage values. Sales process name should be B2C sales. Save it. All right, now for B2C, we are just going to keep prospecting, in-home demo, closed won, and close lost. So make sure you just keep those four values in the selected values option and remove all other values by clicking on the remove arrow and click save. Great. So C point is also completed. We created two sales processes and we kept all B2B stage values in B2B sales process and B2C stages in B2C sales process. Click on the Object Manager tab and search for opportunity. Click on opportunity. The last step D is to create two record types. So click on the record types option. So I'll repeat the navigation once again. It's a object manager, opportunity, and then record types. Click on the new. Existing record type, leave as master. Record type label is B2B sales. Sales process, you should set B2B sales. Description, choose when creating a business deal for an organization. Make sure active is checked and also it's added to all of the profiles. Click next. Step 2, assign the page layout. We are going to set B2B layout for B2B sales record type. Now there is another option as well. If you want to select a different layout for different profile users, you choose that and do that. But Just to make it simple, we are going to assign just a B2B layout to all of the users. So B2B layout, click Save. After saving it, there is a related list you see, pick list available for editing. And then there is a type pick list, the last one. Click on Edit and select Replacement and remove it. So existing customer replacement type, Genward wants to use just with the B2C customers. And then click Save. Again, click on the record types option to create one other record type. Click on the new. Existing record type should be master, record type label, B2C sales. The sales process must be B2C sales. Description: choose when creating a business deal for an individual. Make sure it is active and also it's available to all of the profiles. So check that top level checkbox, make available. Click next. In the step 2, select B2C layout for this record type and then click save. And now click on edit besides type, pick list and select upgrade and downgrade options. Remove both of them. For B2C, you're gonna keep new customer and existing customer replacement options. Save it and that is it. So we created two record types and configured B2B sales process, B2B page layout with B2B record type, and B2C sales process and B2C page layout with B2C record type. And also we modified the pick list, type pick list for B2B and B2C. So now it's a time to verify the functionalities that we have added. So click on the app launcher, the 9 dots at top left corner, and search for sales. Select sales. In sales application, click on the opportunities tab. Let's create a new opportunity. So click on the new button. And you notice now because you have added the record type, it is asking you what type of opportunity you want to create, whether B2B sales or B2C sales. And if you notice, it also displays the description, a line of description that we added on the record type. Let's continue with the B2B sales. Click next. And you notice there is a section that we added on the page, revenue information. So I'm just going to add a few random values like 500,000 in amount. Opportunity name should be B2B sales test. Close date, I'm going to select a future close date. And now you notice the stage field displays the 10 values that Salesforce provides you. And the one that you added in-home demo won't be visible here because it's for B2C sales. So select, let's say, qualification. And if you now verify values in type it list, it just displays 3 values because you removed existing customer replacement option, so it won't be available here. So select new customer and Select one of the accounts as it's a B2B sales. Lead source field is not mandatory for B2B, right? And yeah, that is it. Click save. After saving it, you notice right hand side it displays the related options and it displays like products, notes and attachments, contact roles, like all of the related list are there, right? Now let's try to create a new opportunity for B2C type. So click on the arrow besides opportunities tab and select new opportunity. Select B2C sales. Next, you can give any amount. Opportunity name will be B2C sales test. Select any future close date. If you verify the stage field, only four values are displayed. Prospecting, in-home demo, closed won, and closed loss. Because B2C sales type opportunity are going to follow just the four values. And the type pick list displays two values, existing customer replacement and the new customer as we configured for the record type. And the lead source field is required for B2C because Genwood wants to track lead source for all B2C sales opportunities. And once you save it, you notice right hand side in the related option, it displays just the two of the related list, products and stage string. Because all other related lists are not applicable for B2C sales and we removed them from the page layout. So it's altogether a different page that users see for B2C sales than B2B sales. If you think that the today's video is adding value in your knowledge, then please hit the like button because it feels nice. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to it and click the bell icon to get notified for all my upcoming videos. And please share this video in your circle. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next Saturday with a new learning video. Happy learning!